Welcome back to this video. Let's see how to check for the system update in Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. I'm going to simply click on my settings right here. So after you open up your phone settings, next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to system. Let's take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on system update. Let's go to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on online update. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on continue. Then you can read your update details right here. So next thing you need to do is to simply click on resume. Then the next thing you need to do is to connect your Wi-Fi, or better still, you can use your cellular data. So in this regard, I'm going to use my cellular data. Then you have your installing system update starting up right here. So it might take some time before the updates completely download and install successfully on your phone.